Hey everyone, it's Alicia and I'm here with Brian from Weber Automotive. And in this week's video, Brian, we are discussing windshield wipers and headlights. And those are both really important parts on our car. And we're going to kind of just dive into each of those separately here. We're going to talk a little bit about why these things are so important outside of the obvious reasons, and then some different options that are best. So I'd like to just start off with windshield wipers. Let's talk a little bit about those.
Okay. We know the importance of visibility, right? Like you've got to watch where you're going. That's why people shouldn't be distracted looking at other things. At 60 miles an hour, your car is traveling, or you and your car are traveling 88 feet per second. You're covering a lot of ground very quickly, and most people on the highway are going faster than 60 miles an hour. The visibility is important because you see things very, very quickly, and you can react very quickly when you're looking at them. If the windshield wipers are not working like they're supposed to, and you're wiping rain off, and you're having a hard time seeing through the windshield because of the water and whatnot, it delays what you see, how fast your brain can process it, and how fast you can react to it. So it does increase your stopping distance. Not only windshield wipers, but just keeping the windshield clean in general, even on the inside, it has an effect on the clear visibility.
All right. So there are a lot of different options when you go shopping for windshield wipers, right? There's a lot of different brands. There's a lot of different prices. Is there any one that you think is the best we should be choosing, or do they all have their own reasons?
Well, typically, the most common thing is you get what you pay for. So the more expensive wiper blades typically do work better. In wintertime, you do want to use a winter type blade. But you get what you pay for, so we'll use a better blade. The Rain-X has a blade that works really good. Actually, the Rain-X washer solvent for the wintertime does work pretty well. And Rain-X in general, I think, personally, I would never take a road trip without Rain-X-ing the window right before you go. You want to talk about improved visibility in the rain, nothing works as good. You almost don't even know it's raining while you're on the highway if you've got a freshly Rain-X window.
Okay. I think that's great advice. That's why I wanted to specifically ask that question too, because I know a lot of people aren't really sure when they go out and they're buying these windshield wipers. So the next thing we mentioned in the beginning is we're going to talk a little bit about headlights. So those can vary too, especially the bulb and the brightness. So I'd like to turn that over to you to tell us a little bit more about what's the best option. Why is it important?
Well, most cars come with fairly decent headlights, but over time, the plastic lenses for the headlights, they degrade, they get cloudy. That really decreases the amount of light that goes through them. We should probably all realize that that's critical, right? You can see a whole lot better during the day than you can at night. And at nighttime, try to turn maybe some people have seen, if the headlights didn't work, you turn your headlights off, you really don't see very well at all. It's pretty scary. So there's also that area in between. So as the headlight lens ages, discolors, gets cloudy, a lot less light goes through it. So one of the most important things is to make sure the headlight lens gets maintained. We have a service that improves that quality of the plastic when it starts to get cloudy. That helps a lot. And there are also better bulbs in the market that do offer some more light to go through there as well.
Okay, thank you for telling us a little bit more about both of those things, windshield wipers and headlights. While those things are very obviously important, we always know that we need our windshield wipers and we need our headlights. You might not always think about those specific things, and that's why Weber Automotive is here to help you. So if this video kind of sparked your interest and made you realize, wow, maybe I should get in contact with Weber Automotive, you can do so by giving them a call. You can schedule an appointment, or you can explore a little bit more online of their other services at weberautomotive.com.